Hello everyone, and welcome back to Carl is on it. So today I'm gonna get my car serviced. So I'm gonna have an oil change, I'm gonna be getting my brakes changed and also my brake pads as well, and also I'm gonna do a few bits myself. So for the brakes and the brake pads, I'm gonna leave that with a professional to do. I'm at Smart MOT today to get my to get it done. And yeah, so with the other bits like the air filter, the spark plugs and the cabin filter, I'm gonna change them myself. But with the brakes, I'd rather not risk my life with that, to be fair, and let a professional do it. So let's get straight into it. So we got here some Brembos, some anchors, discs. Gonna get them changed. Yeah. Got in here air filter as well. Gonna replace that as well. And also got here some. Got some spark plugs too. I'm changing those. So I'll do a separate video for all these ones here. Meantime, let's just get this car serviced. So new disc is now fitted on, looking absolutely fresh. Today I'm going to be resetting my oil light. So I'm going to show you how to do that very quickly. So this is for all the new people who are new to the channel. This is a BMW 1 Series E88. E88 means it's a convertible. We've got the E82, which is the coupe version. Also the E81 is a hatchback, and the E87 is also a hatchback. So what I'm going to do is show you how to reset the service light or brake light or whatever light that comes on there. So first of all, up into the car. So first of all, what you're going to do is put your key in the ignition, start the car. So it says you'll need a service in the next 4,000 miles. I've just had it serviced already. Next what you're going to do is press this button here. This is your odo mileage, your miles meter. Hold that down. This light will pop up. Then it will show you which one you want to reset. Then you use this toggle here and you can choose which one you want to reset. So my oil, I would like to reset that, so go into that, and then what you do is hold down the BC, hold it down, and it says reset, and then again, so you press it and then hold it this time, so you hold it and then this would reset. I recommend doing this. In fact, I won't recommend. What I would say is do not sort of cheat yourself and reset it. So say for instance you're going to sell your car and you're just like, you know what, let me reset all these lights so it looks like it's all new. I wouldn't recommend that. Bad choice, because at the end of the day what goes around comes around, so just be honest about it, and plus look after your car. So yeah, on that note, now's the end of the video. Thank you people for watching. There's going to be some more modifications and more work I'm going to be doing in the car, so stay tuned for that, and I'll see you in the next one, people. Peace.